Hey YouTube, today I'm going to be showing a tutorial of how to basically set up a Netgear router. Like once you've done the Smart Wizard and you want to do more configuring on it, I'm going to show you how to set up your firewall and all this other junk and what you need to do to get your best performance out of your new Netgear router. The router I have here today is the n300 wireless router. It's the model number right there. I'm going to show you how it's supposed to be set up. You're going to have your router here. This is the router itself. See, Netgear. It's wireless and technology, like you see in the name. And this is your cable modem or your DSL modem, whichever one you have. It will come with a yellow cable like this. This one goes into the internet port, and then this one goes from your cable modem to your router to give yourself internet. This one goes to your computer and to the router so that you can have internet as well. But okay, now down to the router itself. I'm going to show you stuff that you need to know. Alright, to set up your wireless, click on wireless settings, which I already did, and your name of your network is right there. You type in whatever you want it to be, and click enable SSID broadcast. I would recommend leaving that at auto and leave that up to 300 MIPS a second, because that means you'll be getting the most for wireless N, or that wireless N can offer. So you'll be getting your full speed on wireless. And for the security options, you should put this WPA2-PSK-AES. And just type in whatever you want right there. It has to be 8 to 63 characters long. And the website to get to this, you type this in your search bar, 192.168.1.1. And then it'll ask you for username and password. I believe both of those are admin. Okay. So, to see who's on your network or who's using anything on your network, click Attach Devices. It's going to load up. And see, no wireless devices are shown up. And it says wireless intruders will show up there. But if you have a passcode, you can't get on there. See, wired devices, that's just my computer right now. So I only got one thing attached to my network. Router upgrade, you should do this. It says check for new firmware every time upon login. You should keep that on so that you can so that your router is up to date. So when you got all this set up, you just click check, and it'll say attempting to connect to Netgear server. Please wait. It'll connect. It might find something. It might not. Let's see if it finds anything for me, and then I'll show you that process. Pretty sure it won't find anything, so I really don't care anyway about upgrading. So just click cancel. And logs right here, this is important as well. This is where you can, hold on, sorry. Scroll down. This is where you can include this in the log. Attempted access to allowed sites. Attempted access to blocked sites and services. Connections to the web-based interface of this router. Router operation startup, get time, etc. Known DDoS attacks and port scans. You should leave that on so that if somebody tries to get into your, host boot you, you'll know about it, hopefully. I haven't been host booted, so I don't know how well that works. Go for not the wireless, for firewall settings, go to WAN setup. And see, you can disable or enable. Whoops. Sorry, I clicked something. Okay, you gotta give it a second, because if you click something and it updates settings, it's gonna take a while. And when you update your settings, your router will restart, and it might say that message as well. But to do the stuff here's WAN setup. This is what you can do here. You can disable or enable DDoS and port scan protection. Default DMZ server, just leave that there. MTU, make sure to leave that at 1500. NAT filtering, I would leave that open if you're a gamer, because a moderate or strict NAT really isn't too good if you're a gamer. Now go to LAN setup, see what we can do here. This will tell you the IP addresses you want, like the one that you use in the log for the router. You can change that, and you can also change the IP addresses that the router gives you. Like here, I'll change mine right now to show you what happens. Change that to 1 and change that to 50. Okay. Now you just click apply. Then it'll update all the settings, and then once that bar gets all the way over there, it'll just take you back to the menu. Now just wait. It does take a while for this to happen, but you can just wait and then it'll be done. Okay, so now that's done. You can just basically do anything. You could even have a traffic meter that like lets certain like how much bandwidth you can use and whatever. You can also like set a password for your router and stuff and backup settings and all that junk. And click your router status to know what your status of your router is, and you can block sites and block services. And you can also set up a guest network. So like if you have people at your house that you don't want to use a regular network, I really don't know why you wouldn't, but if you do, you just come on here, type 192.168.1.1 and set up the guest network, and you'll be all set. But that should be it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and if you want any more videos on anything Xbox 360 tutorials, how to do anything on Xbox Live or whatever, or anything with this router, or anything to do with an iPhone 4 or jailbreaking or anything like that, just comment and let me know, and I'll make some more videos. Thanks for watching, YouTube.